see much winter weather due to a phenomenon called the NAO and the AO, and that is in the northern hemisphere, which has not been allowing the Arctic air to pour south. But recently, as you may have all noticed, it is moving south and it is extremely cold outside. Now let's just move on to the snow aspect. Up above me towards the upper right corner is my winter storm map for tonight through tomorrow. Now, the heaviest snowfall will probably reach from about Sioux Falls, Sioux City, through northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, through, let's say, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois. Some areas will receive over 6 inches of snow, and even over northeastern Iowa may see an isolated 10-inch amount. Now with this very chilly air, where the snow will be falling, there will be high snow ratios, so it will take less moisture to get a lot of snow. So, also, due to the very cold nature of the atmosphere, the snow will be very dry, and any amount of wind will just blow it all around. So, yeah, snow will be stretching from South Dakota through portions of extreme northeastern Nebraska, most of central, northern, eastern Iowa, and through southern Minnesota, through central, southern Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. And even including Chicago, there could be some big-time airport delays as we head towards tomorrow, as some areas in Chicago could see over 6 inches of snow. So moving on to the next week's storm, and this is towards the, towards the bottom, towards the left, whatever. But anyways, I'm watching a big storm for early next week, and on the models, the computer models, for a while it has been not showing this, or just going back and forth. Have been having troubles with this, but now some of the big time data is showing a huge storm coming out of the desert southwest and moving northeast on through the Central Plains. Now this storm, if I just looked at some latest data, and it's pretty big. It goes from northern, the western panhandle of Oklahoma, northeast through Kansas City and eastern Iowa. That is a set track north of there for heavy snow and strong winds. And the winds could be very strong. Thus, I wouldn't be surprised to see a blizzard on the northwest side of the storm system if everything works out perfectly. And as we all know, snow has not worked out perfectly so far this winter. And we'll see if we get all the mechanisms to make this huge winter storm. And another aspect of this storm will be over the southeastern United States, over Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, Georgia. Could be some severe thunderstorms if this negative tilt happens with this storm. Negative tilt is when the jet stream it curves down, but kind of curves negatively, thus calling a negative tilt. But anyways, that's a classic pattern for severe weather and tornadoes in the southeastern United States. So once again, monitoring the potential for a big-time winter storm early next week over the Central Plains. And, tonight through tomorrow, lots of snow and cold. In the blue areas, I will have an accumulation map out later. But the big-time winners look to be Chicago, the Quad Cities, Cedar Rapids, southern Minnesota, northern Iowa. Those areas are going to be receiving the heaviest snowfall. And I hope you have a great day and continue to be mindful.